Welcome, I'm your host Elizabeth D'Orazio, and we're here at Sugar River Bank's newest location, 198 Loudon Road. So whether you're in the Upper Valley, Sunapee, Warner, New London, Grantham, or even Concord, your hometown bank is just steps away. Right now, I'm joined by their residential lender, Mary Sullivan, who brings over 30 years of banking experience to her take on the best way to get a mortgage. Mary, thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
Now, you have extensive background in lending and in banking. What attracted you to Sugar River Bank?
Well, I think the appeal primarily was the fact that it's a small community bank and the focus that it serves in giving back to the communities it serves, the ability to have products that may be delivered to folks who might not be able to get traditional financing. I like working with first-time home buyers. That's one of my fortes. And I think that we really cater to that segment of the market, as well as servicing our mortgages. That's important to me as far as the delivery of that service. I'm very active in the community. I know that Sugar River really promotes that among its staff as well as out in the field. So that's community service to me is near and dear to my heart as well.
And you mentioned sort of a key difference between Sugar River and some of their competitors is they actually service their mortgage. So it's not like you close and then 2 weeks later you get this letter and says, by the way, you're sending your payment somewhere else.
Exactly, yeah. And that's, in the market that we're in, with so many lenders, before you even leave the closing table, you're already, sold to another servicer. I think that in this day and age of buy local, be local, stay local, really resonates with people more than 5 years ago and ever before. And I think that speaks very clearly to us as a community bank. We really do keep your funds local. We keep that servicing local where you can make your payment right at the teller line or whatever the method is you want to pay.
And that's also something, so it's not like you're just the loan officer for the transaction and then goodbye. It's no, if you got a question later, they can call you.
Exactly.
Did my property taxes get changed? What happened? When does my PMI go away?
Exactly. So being that local contact from that point of application, pre-qualification and beyond, that is important to a lot of people.
Do you find that people are rediscovering community banks as their lenders?
Well, it's interesting because I think this really is the year of community banks, at least in the greater Concord market and in New Hampshire. There's been a lot of talk among all media of the resurgence of the community banks, given the nature of some of the larger regionalized or nationwide banks out there and financial institutions, and what's happened in the last 5 to 7 years in the financial arena just brings that wanting to bank with somebody local, wanting to know who you're dealing with, wanting to know that they're part of the community. I think that's important.
And also understanding that they still, when you come to a bank like Sugar River, you offer full products. You have home equity loans, you have fixed rate, you can do a refinance, construction loans, and sometimes you can go into that bigger corporate bank and it's like, okay, we'll call you 2 weeks from now, we can get a representative to talk to you, but we don't offer that particular program right now. But that's not what happens here.
We offer a full gamut of products, so from your construction loans to raw land loans, some lending institutions don't offer that, to mobile home loan financing. So we serve all segments, to jumbo loans. So we really offer products to a diverse market in all areas that we serve. And again, I think the fact that you can, as you said, walk in here and you're able to get all of those different products and have the experience of whether it's the residential loan officer or a commercial lender, being able to talk to somebody who's here and who's here every day.
And who wouldn't want to work with someone like you? You're great. Thank you so much for joining us, Mary. And if you have a residential loan question or if you think that you're going to buy or refinance, make sure you contact Mary Sullivan right here at the Concord branch of Sugar River Bank.